Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on building your employer brand in the metaverse. The future of work is changing, and virtual reality and browser-based applications will play a crucial role in employer branding, recruitment and employee engagement. But before we start, what is employer branding and how does this work usually? Employer branding is the process of creating a positive image and reputation of a company as a great place to work, which helps to attract and retain top talents. It encompasses all aspects of the employee experience, including company culture, values, leadership, and opportunities for growth and development. Employer branding is important because it helps companies to stand out in a competitive job market and attract the best employees. A strong employer brand can also lead to increased employee engagement, loyalty, and productivity. The process of creating a strong employer brand involves identifying communicating the unique aspects of the company that make it a great place to work, basically. This can be achieved through various channels such as a company's website, social media, employee testimonials, and branding campaigns. Now you learned more about employer branding and how it's getting used already, but how can virtual worlds make those positive effects we will talk about more later even stronger? With the advancements in technology, the way we work and interact with each other has evolved dramatically. The rise of the metaverse, like a virtual world where people can interact with each other and engage in various activities, has opened up new opportunities for businesses. Employer branding has become increasingly important in the virtual world as well. With the ability to create 3D virtual spaces easily accessible through any web browser made in Unreal Engine, businesses have the opportunity to showcase their brand and culture in a new, unique and interactive way. This technology has the potential to revolutionize recruitment by allowing companies to host virtual job fairs, give virtual job tours of their offices, and even host virtual job interviews. By creating an immersive and interactive environment, potential employees can get a better understanding of the company culture and see if they would be a good fit. Employee engagement is also critical in the virtual world. By creating those virtual spaces for employees to interact and collaborate with each other, companies can increase their employee satisfaction and productivity and overall engagement like that. So in conclusion, we can say that the metaverse offers unlimited possibilities for businesses looking to build their employer brand and create a better workplace for their employees, basically. By leveraging the latest technology and creating 3D virtual spaces accessible through a web browser made in Unreal Engine, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and ensure a bright future for themselves and their employees. So you can already see like the following benefits can get created with those employee branding effects. The first one is of course that you have an immersive experience. Like virtual 3D spaces provide an immersive experience that allows potential employees to get a better understanding of the company culture and see if they would be a good fit. Also, you have increased engagement because by creating virtual spaces for employees to interact and collaborate with companies, that can increase the employee satisfaction, productivity, and also the overall engagement. Also, those virtual exhibitions are very cost effective compared to traditional in-person events and job fairs, and virtual 3D spaces are basically much more cost effective and efficient. Also, the accessibility is given because virtual 3D spaces can not only get accessed over expensive VR headsets with most of your potential trainees or employers or something like that don't have. They can also get accessed from anywhere in the world, making it easier for companies to reach a wider pool of potential employees, since we can host those virtual 3D spaces directly on your website that they run inside the web browser. So no one needs to download anything or no complex installation process or something like that is needed. The next point is customizability. Virtual 3D spaces can be easily customized to fit the specific needs and goals of a company, making it a versatile and flexible solution for employer branding and recruitment. Also, of course, you can collect more data through those virtual experiences. Virtual 3D spaces can collect data from employee engagement and interactions and providing valuable insights for companies to improve their recruitment and employer branding strategies in the future. Also, they are very environmentally friendly. By reducing the need for travel to, for example, job interviews and stuff like that, virtual 3D spaces can have a positive impact in the environment and aligning with companies' sustainability goals. In conclusion, virtual 3D spaces offer a unique opportunity for companies to showcase their employer brand and to streamline their recruitment process and create a better workplace for their employees. So if you are also looking for an innovative way to build your employer brand and streamline your recruitment process, our team specialized in creating custom virtual spaces using Unreal Engine that are easily accessible through any web browser. Our virtual spaces are specifically designed for onboarding, recruitment of new employees and providing an immersive and interactive environment that showcases your company's culture and values. With our custom virtual spaces, you can host virtual job fairs, give virtual tours of your office, and you can even conduct virtual interviews. We understand the importance of building a strong employer brand and attracting top talents, which is why we take a personalized approach to each project. Our team will work closely with you together to understand your unique needs and to create a custom virtual space that truly represents your brand. So don't miss out this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and revolutionize the way you onboard and recruit employees. So feel free to contact us today to learn more about how we can help you to build your employer brand and streamline your recruitment process. So if you now also want your own virtual space for your brand, you can easily book a free strategy session where we will work out a free strategy, how you can easily start in this area to also profit from those advantages. The link for getting a private strategy session is in the description of the video. But that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.